Dear all, welcome to the Winners Capsule. This channel is mainly on competitive examination. In this session, I'll be discussing one of the most important topics, that is vitamins, importance of vitamins, and I have enlisted a few questions which can be expected for competitive examination in the field of vitamins. Okay, you can just go through individual questions. Let me scroll down the questions. Hope it is visible to everyone, so you can able to mark the right answer. So once you mark the right answer, afterwards, let me start the discussion. First of all, I request you to have the self-evaluation wisely. This will really help you out. What are the major setbacks you are facing right now? How to overcome those difficulties? Okay. So you have to remember in your own manner. Okay, that's it. That's the main thing I would like to suggest you. And frequently can revise also so that you can understand. Okay. Let me discuss the individual questions. You know, there are 10 questions. Okay, moving on to the discussion. Right from the beginning, beriberi is due to, or beriberi is lack of B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B12, vitamin B5, which is the appropriate answer. Actually, beriberi is the one of the disease due to lack in vitamin B1. I can go ahead with the option A. Let me discuss the second question. Full form of B2. What is the full form of B2? Thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, and ascorbic acid. Which is the correct answer? Just think and tell me. Full form of B2, that is riboflavin. I should go ahead with the option B. Option B is the correct answer. B2 riboflavin. Deficiency of dash vitamin causes a pernicious anemia. Which is the correct answer? B1, B2, B12, and B5. So deficiency of B12 vitamin. I have to go ahead with the option C, B12. Okay, B12 vitamin causes pernicious anemia. Please mark the right answers. Okay, if you want, you can prepare a table also. That is also a good thing if you prepare table. Question number 4. Okay, you can read the question number 4. Pellagra is affected due to lack of dash vitamin B1, B2, B12, B5. Pellagra is affected due to the lack of vitamin B5. So option D is the correct answer. Then question number 5, chemical name of vitamin C. Which among the answer is correct? Vitamin C. You can call vitamin C. The chemical name of vitamin C is ascorbic acid. I have to go ahead with option A. Due to lack of dash vitamin cause scurvy, which is the correct answer. B5, C, then A, D. Due to lack of dash vitamin. Can you identify the answer? It is very simple. C, vitamin C. Lack of vitamin C causes one of the disease called scurvy. Question number 7. Xerophthalmia, it is also known as dry eye, is due to lack of dash vitamin B5, then C, vitamin A, vitamin D, which could be the right answer. You have to have more leafy vegetables. You have to inculcate in your food habit, so that you can able to overcome this issue. So we can go ahead with option A, or sorry, option C, vitamin A. Xerophthalmia or dry eyes is due to lack of vitamin A. Okay, till here it is fine. Let us discuss the remaining portions. There are 3 more questions remaining. Hope you are updating your marks also. So let me take you the remaining 3 questions. Question number 8. Full form of vitamin D. Which is the full form of vitamin D? Niacin, ascorbic acid, then retinol, calciferol. So the right answer is calciferol. I should go ahead with the option D, calciferol. Dash vitamin causes infertility. E, D, A, C. I have to go ahead with the vitamin E. Okay, vitamin E causes infertility. Question number 10, abbreviation of vitamin E. What is the full form of vitamin E, or chemical formula of, or chemical name of vitamin E? Phylloquinine, tocopherol, retinol, ascorbic acid. Which would be the right answer? The tocopherol is the right answer. I have to select option B. Vitamin E means tocopherol. That's a chemical name. So I have prepared few more questions which are related to vitamin, that is highly unavoidable. And if you are preparing for RRB, then SSC, Staff Selection Commission examination, and various graduate level examination, this will be really help you out. Even those who are belong to biology branches, if they're appearing for the various examination and teaching post, that is also can be expected these kind of questions. Hope it will be really useful for you. You can comment, if you can give your valuable comment in the comment box. Finally, thank you for watching this video.